Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. Hi guys, in this video you will learn all about numbers. In my last video I taught you how to count from 1 to 20 in German language, and today we continue from 21 all the way up to 100. So I hope you guys been busy learning from 1 to 20. Have you? Because we need it as a base to work on today's numbers. Okay, I will show you a quick animation now, so you will see how the numbers in German language are built up and pronounced. You ready? Have a look.
21. You see, guys, we will start with the second digit, the so-called ones. We will say eins, then we will put und, which means and, then we have the tens, which is 20. All together, we will cancel the s from eins, so we will have ein und 20. Ein und 20. Next number, 22. We will start again with the second digit. This time it's number 2, which means zwei. Then we put and again, the German und. 20. Zwei und 20. Zwei und 20. Don't forget that if you write these numbers in letters, you write them all together.
So guys, after this animation, do you think you're ready for the next number? Okay, let's continue then with 23. 23. 23. 24. 24. 24. 25. 25. 25. Next number, 26. 26. 26. 27. 27. 27. 28. 28. 28. 29. 29. 29. The next is 30. 30. 30. Are you guys ready to repeat after me? Let's start with the number 20. Okay. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. Und 30. So you see guys, from now it's the same pattern. Let's continue with 31. 31. 31. 32. 32. 32. 33. 33. 33. 33. And that goes all the way up to 40. 40 in German is 40. 40. And between 40 and 50 is the same pattern again from 41, 41, all the way up to 49, 49. From now on, I will count in tens. So we are at 50. 50. 50. So our next number is 60. And there's something special about 60 because you would guess it would be called 60. But it is called 60. The S of 6 is wiped out. So you call it 60. 60. The next number is 70. And there's something special about 70 too, because 70 from the number 7, 7, you do not say 70, you will say 70. That means you wipe out the en from 7 and make it to 70. 70. Okay, the next one is 80. 80. 80. Then we are at 90. 90. 90. And our last number is 100. 100. 100 can be either called 100, 100, or simply called 100. 100. So guys, did you notice something? All the tens have the same ending. 20 as 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Only 30, 30 doesn't have the same ending. So guys, are you ready for some exercise? Are you ready to see if you're able to tell me the numbers I will show you on the card in German? You ready? Let's try it then. First number. Get ready. 85 is 5 und 80. 5 und 80. Next number. 61. Do you know that? 61. 61. Did you get that one right? Next number. 33. 3 und 30. 3 und 30. Did you get that one right? Next number. 97. Get that one. Okay, I will help you. It is 7 und 90. 7 und 90. Next number. 46. 6 und 40. 6 und 40. Next number. 92. 2 und 90. 2 und 90. You got that one? Hopefully. Let's continue with the next. 53. 3 und 50. 3 und 50. Did you get that one right? Let's continue with one more number. 74. Do you know that one? Let's do it together. 4 und 70. 4 und 70. So guys, and now the very last number. 86. Can you guess that one? I think you can. It is 6 und 80. 6 und 80. So guys, how many did you get right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and please keep on practicing your numbers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so. Hit the like button and leave me a comment. And I would love to see you in my live session on Sunday. Till then guys, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye!